Hey guys, this is our second flag of the day. First one we didn't have nothing on, but this one I just saw the reel moving a second ago, so we're hoping, oh, here it goes again. So we're definitely know there's a fish on here. Oh yeah, there's a fish. Just a little perch. Not too bad, but definitely just a little guy. Not a bad little perch. Put him back down in the hole, and hopefully we catch another fish on a flag. Or hey guys, this is the second fish of the video, so I'm gonna try to hook him up. I know he's on here. He was just running a bunch of lines. Not a bad perch. Just a little guy, but we'll put him back down in the hole and continue on fishing. Hey guys, I got another flag. Sorry, I didn't get the whole thing on camera, but not a bad perch right here. There's he is. Not bad. Get him back down the hole.